We're looking at a tool designed to rescue your team from the absolute chaos of untraceable decisions and evaporating knowledge, which is literally so crucial right now because AI is accelerating way faster than most teams can even adapt. I mean, think about it. Is your team's daily knowledge kind of like a leaky bucket, where all the really important details just completely vanish the second everyone leaves the meeting? Well, first, we've got to talk about that invisible organizational drag. You already know something's off, right? Ownership often feels, well, assumed, not actually agreed upon, and big decisions just get made without anyone knowing exactly where or why. And honestly, with AI moving at lightning speed, that gap is just going to keep growing. So, second, let's look at the fix. Hub is a dedicated space right inside Nova that directly attacks this chaos. It basically makes ownership explicitly clear, permanently logs your decisions, and connects all your scoured files into one single place. Finally, it's about the bigger picture. Hub doesn't just store your stuff, it actually helps your team build the daily rituals and habits you need to gain real momentum and achieve total clarity. So Nova's Hub basically cuts out the guesswork by locking down your project's history, files, and who does what into one crystal clear space. But you know, it brings up a really good point. We always think new tech will magically fix things. But if ownership isn't actually agreed upon, aren't we just accelerating right into a wall? Stop letting your team's momentum disappear into thin air and give them the clarity they actually need.